any person, place, animal or object in common. I have given so many examples of common noun in my previous video. You can watch it there. I have shared the link in the description below. Now let's talk about proper nouns. I'm going to tell you a very important thing about proper noun in the end. So watch the video till end. It is the name of some particular person, place, animal and object. Let me give you an example. Ram was a great king. So here king is a common noun and Ram is a proper noun because the name of the king is Ram. Let me give you some more examples. I am a girl. Girl is a common noun because there are so many girls in the whole world. And my name is Peher. So Peher is a proper noun because Peher is particularly my name. Let's find some more examples. See, it's a soft toy. Its name is Doraemon. So, soft toy is a common noun and Doraemon is a proper noun. Let's find some more examples in my house. Let's go. Here's my Papa and his name is Mr. Beast with this thing. So Papa is a common noun and Mr. Beast with this thing is a proper noun. Let's find something in the kitchen. It's butter and it's from Amul. So butter is a common noun and Amul is a proper noun. I live in a city named Jaipur. So city is a common noun and Jaipur is a proper noun. Let me give you one more example. If you have a dog named